Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Verify your Apple Watch model and that the replacement battery matches its part number, and power it off. Once done, remove the band and lay the watch face down on a clean, soft surface. Heat the screen edge briefly to soften adhesive, then use a thin pick to lift the display gently. Don't pry hard. Make sure to work slowly. You're separating glued layers and need steady pressure to avoid cracking the glass or damaging the display cables beneath. Once the display is slightly lifted, identify and unscrew the small shields covering the flex connectors. Keep screws organized. Carefully disconnect the display and then the battery connector so the screen can be moved aside safely. After disconnecting, free the battery by peeling the adhesive pull tabs or by gentle prying with a plastic spudger. Use minimal force to avoid puncturing the cell. Replace adhesive strips with fresh tape to hold the new battery and place the new battery in the cavity. Align it and reconnect the battery connector first, then the display connector. Screw the shielding plates back in their original positions. Before sealing, power on the watch to verify the display, touch response, and sensors work. Once confirmed, apply new adhesive or double-sided tape around the frame, lower the display evenly and press along the edges to secure a good seal. If the watch fails to power, reset connectors. If still dead, check for bent pins or damaged cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.